Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Android Touch sound in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Sounds and Vibration. Scroll down, press on Do Not Disturb. Here you can see the option of alarms and others. Press on this. If you want to enable Android Touch sound, you just have to turn off the button of Touch Sounds. That's it. So this is how to enable Android Touch sound in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.